Introducing the Lorex 2K Video Doorbell. This video will show you how to set up and install your new video doorbell with these simple steps. What's in the box? Download and install the Lorax Home app. Prepare your install location. Install the chime kit. Install the doorbell. And lastly, customize your app settings. What's in the box? This wired video doorbell comes equipped with a standard mounting bracket, a 15-degree horizontal bracket, and a 5-degree vertical bracket, a USB cable, 2 anchors, 2 screws, 3 wire caps, a chime kit, 2 wire extenders, a 15 by 64-inch drill bit, and a pin to release the doorbell from the mounting bracket. The front panel of your doorbell has the camera, microphone, status indicator, and the call button. The back panel has the micro USB port, micro SD card slot, reset button, and power ports. The bottom of the doorbell has the warning/night light and speaker. Download and install the Lorax Home app. Download and install the free Lorax Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap the Lorax Home app to launch the app. Tap Sign Up, then follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. Record your account details and store them in a secure location. Prepare your install location. Before installing the chime kit and doorbell, there are some essential preparations you need to make. Always be careful when handling electricity wiring. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, then consult a licensed electrician. 16 to 24 volt AC is required in order for the doorbell to work properly. If your house does not have this voltage, you will need a 16 to 24 volt AC doorbell transformer, or you can consult with a licensed electrician. Turn off power running to your existing doorbell and chime box at the breaker. Failing to turn off power can lead to electrical shock or damage to the doorbell. To test that power has been disconnected for both the doorbell and chime box, simply press the doorbell and there should be no chime sound. Remove your existing doorbell and disconnect the wiring. Bend the power cables so that they do not fall through the hole in the wall. Install the chime kit. You must determine the type of doorbell chime you have in your home. Here's an easy way to tell the difference. If you hear a classic ding-dong sound, then you probably have a mechanical doorbell with spring-loaded levers and a physical metal chime. If your doorbell sounds more like a melody, then you have an electric chime box. The setup process is the same. The only difference is that the wiring for your mechanical chime has to stay clear of the metal chimes or any of the moving components inside the chime box. Remove the cover panel of your doorbell chime box. Loosen the screws labeled front and trans. Do not remove the screws, and be sure to detach any connected wiring. Connect the wiring from the chime kit to the front and trans connectors in the chime box. Ensure that the existing wiring stays connected as well. Mount the chime kit to the inside of your chime box, along the cover plate, using the included double-sided tape. If there is not enough space inside the chime box, you can optionally mount the chime kit on the outside of your chime box, using the same double-sided tape. Ensure the chime kit and wires are not touching the chimes or any of the moving components inside the chime box, or the doorbell chime will not sound correctly. Optionally, you can also use some duct tape to ensure the wires don't touch any of the moving components. Installing the doorbell. Your doorbell comes with a standard mounting bracket and optional horizontal and vertical brackets. The horizontal bracket will angle the doorbell 15 degrees left or right. The vertical bracket will angle the doorbell 5 degrees up or down. You can attach the optional brackets to the mounting bracket. Use the up arrow to make sure the mounting bracket is oriented correctly. Please note, the horizontal and vertical bracket cannot be combined. Insert the 4 tabs from the horizontal or vertical bracket into the mounting bracket. When you hear a click sound, this will indicate that the brackets are locked in. Before securing the mounting bracket, we need to fit the existing doorbell wiring through the middle hole. Mark the screw holes according to the bracket. For concrete, stucco, or brick, we will use the supplied 15 by 64-inch drill bit to drill holes we previously marked. Insert the supplied anchors and screws to secure the mounting bracket to the mounting surface. If you're securing the bracket to wood, drywall, or soft surfaces, use a Phillips head screwdriver and the supplied mounting screws. It's time to wire the doorbell. To wire the doorbell, loosen the power port screws of the doorbell with a Phillips head screwdriver. Loop the power wires underneath the power port screws and tighten the power port screws to secure the power wires. If your existing doorbell wiring is too short, remove the power port screws completely. Then thread the screws through the supplied extra wires. To attach the wire cap, align the ends of your existing wiring and extra wires. Place the wire cap over the exposed wiring and twist the cap clockwise to tighten. Ensure there is enough space to fit the cable connectors and wire caps into the hole in the wall. Insert the 2 tabs from the mounting bracket into the doorbell and push down. A click sound will indicate that the doorbell is locked in. If in the future you choose to remove the doorbell, insert the supplied pin into the hole at the bottom of the mounting bracket until the inner latch is reached. Then slide the doorbell up and remove it. You may now reconnect power to the doorbell and chime at the breaker. Wait for the LED to pulse blue. Press the button to ring the doorbell to ensure it is working. If your chime does not make a sound, wait up to 5 minutes for it to properly boot up and try again. If you are still having issues, check the troubleshooting guide in the app or in the product documentation. Tap the plus sign and scan the QR code located in the box. You may also manually enter your device ID and follow the prompts. Once the status LED on the doorbell is pulsing blue, tap Next in the Lorax Home app. The app will connect your mobile device to the doorbell's hotspot. Create a secure password for the doorbell. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list, then enter the Wi-Fi password for your Wi-Fi network to connect your doorbell to the internet. Tap Next to add the doorbell to your Lorax Home account. Set a name for the doorbell, then tap Complete. Customize your app settings. To customize your doorbell settings, select the doorbell and tap on the 3 dots to access its settings. Here, you can customize motion detection settings by drawing designated areas to alert you for person detection. Activate the welcome light on detection. Night light mode to automatically illuminate the front door when it's dark. Add a shared user to let family or friends answer live events or recordings. Customize the doorbell quick responses to record or select a pre-recorded voice message, which can speak to visitors if you're not able to come to the door. Lastly, video settings. Here you can enable HDR range and set the video quality. You are now ready to enjoy your new 2K video doorbell. Thanks for watching.